Good morning. I'm doing this unboxing. So I'm gonna open this here box up, see what's inside. Come on, there we go. All right. So the box inside the box. Get the damn thing out. Oh, yeah, it's a legacy box. Inside that box, there's nothing inside that box. Wow, what's a book? Let me show you what's going in this box. We're right back. Hi, I'm back. First of all, you have these. Into the box. Then I'm not sure if these are actually I don't know about these. You know what? I don't think these are actual. They're doable. Look at that. Oh yeah, there is there's film in there. See, there's yeah. If you're curious, 1970s. That's what these were made. 1970s. Huh. Ugh. Yeah. Memories from my childhood. Yeah. And these, they seem fine. I'm hoping they are. Do I dare even try these? Now these are. Now I'm gonna get some stuff to put in here. Hold on, 1 second. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Yeah, the cat wanted to go in the box too, but I'm gonna try not to have this little kitty. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. What? Yeah? Wanna go over there? Alright. Cats. They're weird. I'm back. I filled up the box. See if I close. Now, let's see if I close. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Oh yeah. What's the other box? Other box. Hi, Nelson.
Alright.
This box and this box. Very simple. Return label.
Alexis didn't get here yet.
Nope. And there we go. In 2 to 8 weeks, I'll be watching home movies from the 1970s. Yeah. I found tape. I used to work at a warehouse with my father. Let's see if I can still do this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got it. I still got it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Speaking of my father, my dad actually did the filming of these movies, so hopefully they turn out good. Have a good one. I found another cat. This is the big fat one. Very heavy cat. This one here. Very heavy. Oh yeah. Big, big. Yeah. Big fat cat, aren't you? Yeah, sure. Big fat. Name's Teddy. What?